Top 5 Best 360 Cameras in 2023. If you are looking for the best 360 cameras, then you are in the right place. The world of photography and videography has changed drastically because of the 360 cameras. Also, these devices have created a new way we experience the visual context. And it becomes more powerful because of the VR headset. Here are the top 5 best 360 cameras in 2023. Insta360 RS 1-inch 360 edition. The newest version of the Insta360 RS 1-inch 360 camera is currently the top best in 2023. So, prepare yourself to enhance your photography and videography skills with this state-of-the-art device equipped with advanced features. Specification: Sensor, dual 1-inch CMOS sensors. Video resolution, 6K 360-degree video capture. Battery capacity, 1350 mAh, mAh, vertical battery base. Mobile app, Insta360 app. Price, $799.99. GoPro Max. The second-ranked 360-degree camera on the list of the top 5 cameras of 2023 is GoPro Max. Let's get to the point. With this camera, you can capture classic hero-style videos and photos, and 360-degree footage of your surroundings. It is more like 3 cameras in one. Specification: Video and photo modes, classic hero-style video and photos. Battery, up to 78 minutes of continuous recording on a single charge. Audio, 6 microphones. Additional features, offers limitless creativity. Price, $499.99. Insta360 X3. The third one on our list is Insta360 X3. Get ready to capture all your exciting adventures with incredible precision by using this amazing 360 camera. Whether you're a thrill seeker or a nature enthusiast, this feature-packed camera is designed with you in mind. Specification: Sensors of image, dual 1/2 48 megapixel sensors. Video sensor, 5.7K 360 active HDR video. Battery, 1800 mAh. Mobile app, AI-powered Insta360 app. Price, $429.99. Ricoh Theta X. Our fourth one on our list is Ricoh Theta X. It is an amazing tool for capturing and sharing 360-degree experiences. Besides, this camera combines advanced technology and innovative features to take your shooting to the next level. Specification: Resolution, 360-degree still images with a maximum output of approximately 60 megapixels. Video, up to 5.7K 60 frames per second video recording capabilities. Sensor, 1/2-inch sensor for producing high-resolution images. Live streaming, 4K live streaming and compatibility with YouTube live streaming. Price, $796.95. Trizio Lite 2. Our last product is Trizio Lite 2. This camera packs a punch with its 8K resolution and 32 megapixel image capture capability. Besides, you can expect high-quality panoramic shots which provide a visually captivating experience. Specification: Resolution, 8K, 32 megapixels. Camera type, spherical distortion-free optical lens. Battery, 2480 mAh. Power usage, extended period usage without worrying about power. Price, $399.